Hello, this is Blizzard Star, and welcome back to Hat in Time. Last time we got all of the, well, as many of the timepieces as we could from the Mafia Town. Let's see if we can't find more, shall we? Pretty sure we got all the timepieces from Mafia Town. Or maybe not. Why did you give us Act 5 now? Fine. Cheating the racing. No. Okay, then let's go find something else. Hello, you. Oh, that's helpful. Cool. Oh, well, I found this. That's cool. Sure. Yeah. That's cool. That's creepy. Okay. One more time. Oh, actually, I want to return. Alright. Alright, let me look to see where I might be able to go. Just a second. Alright, I guess I have to do the time rifts as well. I did not know that. That makes sense. Oops. Alright, let's go into time rift then. Sure, let's try that. Don't even know where that is. Okay. I guess it doesn't really matter where I go. Well, I know where that one is. Okay. Can't even get those, so let's see. Huh. Oh, okay. Oh. That's cool. That's helpful. Huh. I wonder what is in that one. There's gems. I mean, I'm not dissing gems. Gems are cool, but... Alright, will this work on all the maps or just later ones? Oh, there's the beach. Woohoo! There's the time rift piece. Alright. Well, okay then. Hi.
Hello, little child. This is Mafia Time Rift. Timepiece hit Mafia in head, and now Time Rift filled with Mafia thoughts and dreams.
Okay.
This Time Rift is simple. Simple like Mafia. Just how Mafia like it. Rules of Time Rift. If you die, you start over. You need rift pawns to go deeper. That is all the rules. Please, tread carefully in Mafia Time Rift. Mafia like to experience past.
Sure. Alright. So you have to be extremely careful with these. Gotcha. On that boat. I'm not gonna risk it. Alright. Is that all there is to this one? Why are you... I don't want to know. Okay. Well, we're on the ship.
Has little girl noticed that unspent rift pawns are kept each floor? No need to get every single pawn. Good luck! Mafia has opened entrance to next floor for you.
Oh, okay, thank you. There's nothing more to this one? Aha. Alright, let's go onto the floor. Aha. Ow, that was great. Oh. Come here, you. Ooh. Okay. I have to pretty much get it as soon as he comes by, or else I won't. Okay. There we go. Alright, that's the last one. So now where do I go? Ah. Where is that page? I have no idea. Well, I wonder if I can knock these down. No, that doesn't. You don't care. Okay. Deal. Then I'll just go on to the next pawn. Yes. Or the next room. Alright. Really? Okay. Why are you throwing stuff at me? Quit it. Okay. I don't want to know what came out of you. Ooh, okay. Can I get you again? Maybe. There we go. That's creepy. Okay. So now then. Nothing else? Okay. What's that down there? Aha! There we go. sneaky in hiding mode. I don't think I should be bashing these about, but okay. Aww. Oh, okay. I missed two of them, so I didn't get the person story. Sure. Let's claim this her color.
Here we go!
Huh. Well, hello.
All right, I'm in. I made it. I infiltrated that kid's spaceship without the alarms going off. I bet she's collected a ton more timepieces than I have. Now, where does she keep them?
This is interesting.
My circuit board.
That is a good question.
My circuit board. Jackpot! This must be where she stores them all.
Yeah.
Time to mess with time a little.
Really? Uh-oh. What did you do? Alright, let's see what the Mafia people have to say. I don't know where they ended up. But you know what? Oh, hi guys.
Hey there! We're the Express Band, just a bunch of owls that got together to play music while riding the conductor's Owl Express. Is it okay if we practice here? In exchange, if you have any song requests, we'll be happy to play whatever you have in mind.
Sure.
Want to swap out some of the music you hear in the different chapters? Or want to hear us practice?
can
Alright,
we
check
do?
this out. Fresh out of the oven. It's a smooth drive kind of song. Perfect for the long roads.
Very nice, guys.
Want to swap out some of the music?
Sure. Alright, let's see what 25 timepieces gets us, shall we? Oh, attic. Ah, okay. Oh. This is spooktacular. Hi.
Yeah!
Okay. Oh. I see. Well, we got Time's End. But I think that will be for next time. So thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.